We returned to Antarctica in 2024. Starting again in Ushuaia, Argentina, we sailed east to the Malvinas or Falkland Islands. From there we continued another 800 miles east to South Georgia Island. This island had more wildlife than we've ever seen in any one place. We understood why it's also known as the Serengeti of the Antarctic. We then turned south to the beauties and wildlife of Antarctica before returning back to Argentina. It was amazing. Enjoy each episode. Where are you going?
We're going kayaking here in Antarctica.
We're going chasing iceberg. We're looking for whales. We're looking for
We're going to come by and splash you.
Or make some good wakes, right?
Yeah.
Let's go off slowly so that Scott has a chance to load his people up, and then he'll come over and follow us.
Okay.
That'll be the two of us that will work as a pair.
Hello.
Yeah.
Not too bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is wonderful.
We like it.
Better than it has been. Well, it wasn't a whaling station, so this is at the point where they were using whaling ships. So they had floating ships, and that's what they were coming down and processing the whales on.
What's the name of the island again?
Enterprise Island. Charge of yeah, that.
We're in Foyn Harbour.
With so many beautiful icebergs.
There's a shipwreck to the left of us here.
It was actually a tanker. So it was collecting all the whale oil that was being produced from the ships that were in the area. And I think it was 1911. Kind of those early days of the turn of the centuries, 1800s to the 1900s. And they got just to the very end of their season down here. They were going to be heading off back up north the next day, and they had a crew party. And someone knocked over an oil lamp. And an oil fire on top of an oil tanker is a less than good event.
Whoa.
They lost control of the fire. They couldn't put the fire out. So the captain put the engines on, brought her in as far into here as he could, beached her into this embayment. So there was actually no loss of life. That isn't a cross, that's a mooring point. So that's where they would be mooring up. Because this ship and others would have been in here, they'd have kind of held her in position using mooring lines off of various different places around, and we could maybe see a couple more as well. But yeah, so she was grounded, all the men were taken off, and there was no loss of life, but there was a bit of a loss of income for them, because in those days they would get paid as part of the share of whatever they collected, and they collected their wages when they got back up to Norway, and there wasn't any because they never took the whale oil back.
That must be Benji with the helmet on.
Look at the shapes of it.
Yeah, and the blues.
Cool. Yep, there's the fluke.
Oh, look, there you go.
Oh, I hope you got that.
See, you scared him.
Okay.
Do you remember the name of this channel?
Neumayer.
Neumayer.
Like N-U-M-A-Y-E-R maybe? Neumayer.
It's after 10 p.m.
And here it is, beautiful and light.
It looks like we're going through there.
You're welcome. Look at this though.
I know.
It's incredible.
전문가다.
This rock to me because we didn't have geologists on that ship, and this rock was really cool.
You thinking my head in like him?